Time I'm fading fast, I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past, I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack, restlessness to hell and back.
I'm not exactly sure when it began, but somewhere along the way, the smartphone world seemed to agree on one thing without saying it out loud. If you want top-tier performance, long battery life, and a flagship-level camera, you're going to have to carry around a massive 6.8-inch slab, deal with a bulky camera bump, and accept a weight that creeps close to half a pound once you add a case and screen protector. Meanwhile, compact phones are often treated like the just okay option, usually sacrificing charging speed or camera quality, like a fancy starter that looks nice but never really fills you up. But there's always been a group of people, myself included, who genuinely love using a phone with one hand. There's something freeing about a device that feels light, easy to manage, and actually comfortable in daily use. These are the small phone fans. And it seems like OnePlus has finally listened. With the OnePlus 15T, they've packed a 6.32-inch OLED display, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5, a massive 7,500 mAh battery, 50-watt wireless charging, and even a periscope telephoto lens into a compact body. Honestly, if they hadn't announced it themselves, it would be hard to believe all of that could fit inside something this size. That's exactly why they've given it a bold nickname, the small screen Demon King. So today, let's take a closer look at this compact flagship and see if it really lives up to that title. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. Starting with the back, I've got to say, OnePlus absolutely nailed the design for my taste once again. This white chocolate color isn't that cold, sterile kind of white you often see. Instead, it has a soft, warm tone, just like the name suggests. From the matte metal frame to the glass back, the entire phone carries this clean, pure white finish without any distracting tones. There's something calming about it, almost like holding a piece of white chocolate in the afternoon. It just feels relaxing. The matte white metal frame uses a micropaste oxidation process, giving it a really unique texture. You still get that solid metal feel, but without the usual cold and slippery sensation. Instead, it almost feels like warm ceramic in your hand. If the white on the OnePlus 12 felt like cool moonlight, then this one feels more like sunlight, gently resting on a table in the afternoon. Soft, comforting, and easy on the eyes. Calling it a kind of perfect white glow really wouldn't be an exaggeration. The build quality is just as impressive. The way the frame and back panel come together is incredibly precise, with even spacing all around. Everything feels tight, clean, and premium. Exactly what you'd expect from a flagship. Flip it over to the front, and the 6.32-inch flat display immediately stands out. What really grabs attention here are the ultra-slim 1.1mm bezels on all four sides. Once the screen lights up, the visual experience easily rivals much larger flagship phones. Another thing that deserves real praise is the included case. Even though the bezels are already incredibly thin, this case subtly hides them even more, making the front look cleaner and more refined. Let's be honest, most included cases feel like an afterthought. Clear cases especially tend to turn yellow over time and pick up fingerprints easily. They're usable, sure, but not exactly exciting. This OnePlus case is different. The material feels premium, the thickness is just right, and the color matches the phone perfectly. It's also very lightweight, so it doesn't ruin the compact feel of the device. Honestly, it's one of the best stock cases I've ever seen, and it's actually something I'd want to keep using. In terms of size and weight, the phone measures 71.82 millimeters wide and weighs around 190 grams. Even with a screen protector and case, it's only about 208 grams. This is how a phone is supposed to feel. One-handed typing, pulling down notifications, everything is easy again. That effortless one-hand usability that big phones struggle with is finally back. The camera module is another pleasant surprise. The bump is relatively small and doesn't stick out much, and its placement in the top left corner doesn't interfere when you're gaming in landscape mode. Of course, good looks aren't enough for a true flagship. What really matters is what's inside. The OnePlus 15T is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5, and honestly, in 2026, having a powerful chip in a flagship isn't surprising anymore. The real question is whether OnePlus is willing and able to fully unleash that performance inside such a compact body. Let's start with performance numbers. On Geekbench 6, the OnePlus 15T scores 35 on 11 in single-core and 1,382 in multi-core, which clearly puts it right up there with today's Android flagship devices. To push it further, I tested the Light and Shadow Plaza scene with all graphics settings maxed out for 15 minutes. The average frame rate came in at 59.4 FPS, and more importantly, the performance stayed consistently smooth throughout. After about 20 minutes of gaming, I checked the temperatures. The hottest spot on the front was in the upper left corner at 51.1 degrees Celsius, while the back peaked at 47.5 degrees Celsius near the upper right. Considering how compact this phone is, the thermal performance is pretty much in line with expectations. Now let's move on to what I think truly earns the OnePlus 15T its Great Demon King nickname, battery life. In the Android world, compact phones usually have to make a tough choice. Either go with a power-efficient but less powerful chip, or increase the size and thickness to fit a bigger battery. A small yet powerful phone with great battery life has always felt like a contradiction. But somehow, the OnePlus 15T manages to pull it off. For comparison, the OnePlus 15 comes with a 7,300 mAh battery, while the 15T actually steps it up to 7,500 mAh. So you're getting a smaller phone, yet somehow an even bigger battery. That alone is impressive, but what really matters is real-world usage. In my test, I started the day at 10 a.m. with a full charge and used the phone at a moderate level. That included 1 hour of Douyin, 1 hour on Weibo, 1 hour of gaming, plus 20 minutes each on WeChat and Bilibili. Altogether, that's nearly 5.5 hours of screen-on time. By midnight, the battery was still sitting at 60%. With my usage pattern, this phone can easily stretch to 2 full days on a single charge. Honestly, I haven't felt this kind of battery confidence in a compact phone for a long time. What makes it even better is that OnePlus didn't compromise on charging. You still get 100 watts wired fast charging and 50 watts wireless charging. While those numbers aren't unheard of, seeing them in a phone this size is definitely rare. On the software side, it's the familiar OnePlus experience. Smoothness has always been one of their strong points, and that continues here. While high refresh rates aren't as noticeable on smaller displays compared to larger ones, the 165 Hz refresh rate on the 15T still delivers a super fluid and satisfying feel. If I had to sum it up in a few words, using this phone just feels incredibly comfortable. Finally, let's talk about the cameras. Compact phones often sacrifice telephoto lenses to keep things slim, but the OnePlus 15T goes in the opposite direction. It includes a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom and an 85mm focal length. The image quality is impressive, and the processing feels well-balanced without that overly smoothed look. In good lighting conditions, the telephoto lens performs especially well. The level of detail is excellent, and even at 7x lossless zoom, distant buildings still appear sharp and clear. For a phone of this size, the imaging experience is genuinely outstanding. As for pricing, the base version of the OnePlus 15T starts at 4,299 yuan in China, which is roughly £469 in the UK and about $621 in the US. So to wrap things up, there's something interesting about how people have always asked for small screen phones in surveys, yet when they actually hit the market, sales often fall short. The reason is simple. Most compact phones in the past came with compromises, whether it was battery life, performance, or heat management. Even manufacturers didn't seem fully confident in them. The OnePlus 15T changes that narrative. Instead of trimming down features to fit a smaller body, it brings a full flagship experience into a compact form. It shows that a small phone doesn't have to be a cut-down version. It can be a refined, concentrated flagship. If you're someone who still appreciates compact phones like I do, then the OnePlus 15T could easily be one of the best choices in 2026. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.